Start. We have heard the learned counsel for the respective parties at length. Stop. We have also gone through the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court releasing the respondent number 2 accused on bail para. From the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court, it can be seen that no reasons whatsoever have been assigned by the High Court while releasing the respondent number 2 on bail. Stop. After recording the submissions made by the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the accused and the state. Thereafter, the High Court has only observed that considering the rival submissions as also the facts and circumstances of the case, this court for the purposes of grant of bail is inclined to accept the submissions advanced by the petitioner's counsel. Stop. Prayer for the bail of the petitioner is allowed. Stop. There is no further reasoning given at all. Stop. Neither the High Court has considered the gravity, nature and seriousness of the offences alleged against the accused. Stop. In the case of Mahipal (Supra), while emphasizing to give brief reasons while granting the bail to an accused in paragraphs 24 to 27, it is observed and held as under para. There is another reason why the judgment of the learned single judge has fallen into error. Stop. It is a sound exercise of judicial discipline for an order granting or rejecting bail to record the reasons which have weighted with the court for the exercise of its discretionary power. Stop. In the present case, the assessment by the High Court is essentially contained in a single para which reads Rajesh Kumar case Rajesh Kumar versus State of Rajasthan, 2019 SCC online Raj 5197 closed, SCC online Raj para 4, considering the contentions put forth by the counsel for the petitioner and taking into account the facts and circumstances of the case and without expressing opinion on the merits of the case, this court deems it just and proper to enlarge the petitioner on bail para. Merely recording, having perused the record and on the facts and circumstances of the case, does not subserve the purpose of a reasoned judicial order. Stop. It is a fundamental premise of open justice, which our judicial system is committed, that factors which have weighed in the mind of the judge in the rejection or the grant of bail are recorded in the order passed. Stop. Open justice is premised on the notion that justice should not only be done, but should manifestly and undoubtedly be seen to be done para. The duty of judges to give reasoned decisions lies at the heart of this commitment stop. Questions of the grant of bail concern both liberty of individuals undergoing criminal prosecution as well as the interests of the criminal justice system in ensuring that those who commit crimes are not afforded the opportunity to obstruct justice stop. Judges are duty bound to explain the basis on which they have arrived at a conclusion stop. Where an order refusing or granting bail does not furnish the reasons that inform the decision, there is a presumption of the non-application of mind which may require the investigation of this court stop.